Check the type and status of a fireproof door. Check the door hole size, 32 mm, 68 mm. Check the hole is punched properly. Check the top, middle, and bottom of a fireproof door for any bent and distortion. Check the distance between a fireproof door and door frame within 5 mm. Check the door thickness. The basic door thickness is 40 to 50 mm, and if it exceeds 50 mm, separate parts are required. Check the hole size for installing a mortise. Check the door lock model and product components you want to install. Check the installation of a striker and striker box. Place a striker box into door frame. Deadbolt jam may cause the malfunction of a mortise. Install a striker box, align with outside of box mounted space. Fix a striker and box with 2 screws. Check the direction of a mortise latch before installation. Insert the deadbolt of mortise upside and pull the cable inward. Fasten a mortise to a door with 2 screws. Check a mortise installed properly and make sure it is placed in the middle and parallel. Assemble a handle shaft into with a handle shaft. Place the handle shaft spring in the groove of inner hexagonal shaft. Insert the direction of the bent handle shaft spring. From the door side, make sure a shaft is 5 to 15 mm or less. Check in-body and out-body mortise operation, handle movement and reaction. Pull out the cable from the indoor side throughout 32 mm hole. Push the shaft into the hole and fasten it to the door. Check the rubber pad is placed well and with each hole in the rubber pad and indoor fixing panel, remove the outdoor body cable and mortise cable from inside. Tighten the door to 32 mm hole mounting shaft with an outdoor body. Tighten inner mounting panel with 4 screws, first from the bottom. Carefully tighten the panel until it does not bend, so that there is no damage caused by mortise cable during tightening. A mortise cable may be stuck by a mounting shaft and cause damage. When tightening the screws too much, it may cause distortion and bend of a mounting panel. The mortise may be malfunction when it receives pressure. When installing with unqualified screws, it can make a mounting panel lifted or bent. Insert outside cable and mortise cable correctly into inner PCB board. Do not place the cables twisted or pressed. Installation error causes malfunction. Tighten the mounting panel with 4 screws. Check the condition of the rubber panel after installation. Remove the cover of wireless module in stalled space. Install the wireless module and assemble the cover again. If wireless module is misinserted, it cannot unlock the door lock remotely. Check the pole of battery and place them correctly, and close the battery cover. Make sure the gasket is placed on the door frame securely. Do not expose it from the door frame over 5 mm. Check the door can be closed by proper pressure. Check door opening, closing, and lever. Check door opening with PIN, RF card, and fingerprint.